Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing and showing you some of the Dyson products that I own. I own three different vacuum cleaners. So the first one is the Dyson V8 Absolute. It is a cord-free, hassle-free vacuum cleaner. The next one is a Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Multi-Floor, and then I also have a it's V6 Trigger Plus Dyson. This is a handheld small one, so I'm gonna start with this one, and it has, this is what it says that it has, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. Is 2-tier radial cyclones. And then it has power. It's powered by Dyson Digital Motor V6, which is the most powerful handheld vacuum. Up to 20 minutes of powerful suction, max power mode, which is at the back, a mini motorized tool for tough tasks. It also comes with so the mini motorized tool is this one. And then it comes with combination accessory tool, which is this one, and then it also comes with crevice tool, and I'm pretty sure this goes here like that, and then you can also dust if you need it for curtains and things like that. So I got this one for free because they had a promotion when I bought the cyclone ball, and it is super easy to clean, to empty the drum. Now moving on to this one. So this is the Dyson V8 Absolute. It's a cord-free, hassle-free, powerful suction, 40 minutes of fade-free suction, 150% more brush bar power than V6 cord-free, and so it comes with a direct drive cleaner head, which is this one. So this is great for hard floors, tiles, for carpeted, for carpet or rugs. Then it comes with soft roller cleaner head, and this is for hard floor, and it says it's soft roller cleaner head, removes large debris and fine dust. And then it comes with also the mini motorized tool, which is the same tool as the little one, and combination tool, which is this one. And just to show you guys, this moves back like that, and then it comes with a rigid crevice tool, and also the mini soft dusting brush. This part removes, so it becomes almost the same as the handheld one. For cleaning, all you do is you lift, and it comes empties. And the filters here, just the same as the other one. Now this one also has two different power modes, and when it says it's 40 minutes, it is for the lower speed. For the maximum, you only get about 10 minutes. So this is why I had to go buy a big vacuum, because this one is great for everyday quick cleanup, but if you want to vacuum your whole house all at once, it won't last you. Anyways, not me. So, but it is the best cordless I have ever used. The suction, I've had it now for about 4 or 5 months. The suction hasn't changed. It's exactly the same. You do have to clean these up because they will, not so much the carpeted floor, but the hard floor one, I have to always clean it. Now, however, I have a dog, so that might be the reason. So, and I love it. I think this is my favorite one from all of them, just because it has such a great suction. So I run a home daycare as well, so cleaning the rice off the floor, it's piece of cake. And I do like all the tools that it comes with. So the next one is a Dyson Cinetic Big Ball multi-floor. The only vacuum with no filters to wash or replace, which that's what sold me most on it, and also the fact that the cordless had such a great suction. So I figured one that's not cordless will have just as good, if not better, suction. So it says it's most efficient cyclone capture most dust, dirt, and microscopic particles. It has no filter. The only vacuum that gets back up when it's pulled, so it just comes right back up. Hygienically ejects the dirt. So it's fairly simple. As you can see, very simple. So you have to make sure that this is latched on. If it's not, that's what's gonna happen. So, but it's super easy to empty, like that, and then push it back, and then you have to make sure that it's latched on, that you hear that little click, because otherwise that's what's gonna happen. So let me, now that that happened, I'll just show you quickly. Okay, that's that. And then you just pop it back on. So it comes with carbon fiber two-bar floor tool. It is what does it say that? Carbon fiber filaments pick up fine dust. Stiff nylon bristles help remove ground-in dirt. Supposedly, the ball technology will improve stability. Dyson Big Ball Canister vacuums maneuver easily around the obstacles and corners. It is a little bit heavier, and it's not as easy to maneuver as they say, but I am coming from a central vac, so maybe that's why I just find it's a little bit harder to pull it behind. It has a very neat handle that easily rotates in 3 directions, allowing full 360 articulation for great control. Large capacity bin for it's 33% bigger than the previous Dyson Cinetic canister. And then it has a quick release handle, which they all do, super easy. This is also adjustable, which is great for me because I'm tall, I'm 5'10", so to have it taller so I'm not bending down is great. And it does says it has longer wand, reaches awkward areas, extends up to 1.25 meters to clean hard to reach places. So, and it comes with, so we already saw this tool, and then it comes with hard floor tool, which is this one. Ooh, as you can see, dog hair gets collected on there. And then soft dusting brush, which is this one. And it comes with combination tool, which is this one, and this moves back and or off. And it comes with the stair tool, which is this one. I do prefer to use the motorized stair tool from the other ones. I cannot put that one onto here, which I do find a little bit weird that this one wouldn't have the motorized mini tool, but I guess they feel that the suction's so strong that this one will be sufficient. So yeah. Now, we do like using it. We use it to clean the whole house. My mother-in-law was using it, borrowed it, and she found it to be too heavy at the pull back because the suction's so strong that when you pull back, it was too hard for her to use. So we don't find that, but she does. So just kind of wanted to put it out there. Do I need to have all of them? No, not at all. I also have a Dyson Groom tool, which is this little handy thing, which I thought it was awesome. Because you won't have flying hair everywhere when you're brushing your dog, and then you just press this and the hair comes off. So the thing is, my dog hates it. As soon as I turn the vacuum cleaner on, he freaks out. Another one is the tangle-free turbine tool, which is this one. I haven't figured out what the difference between this one is from the other mini tool that I have. I find they work the same. So I also have extendable hose for those harder to reach places, and I have a stiff bristle brush for dried up dirt. So I use this for the car. I haven't used this one yet, haven't found a reason. So these 4 tools that I've showed you, they're extra to buy. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it informative. I hope it may help you decide which one you would like to have. I love all 3 of them. If I had to choose to have only one, obviously would be the ball, because I can vacuum the whole house. However, I do love my cordless one. So if I had to choose 2, I would buy the cordless one as well. The mini one, because I would have the cordless one, I don't see the point because the other one turns into that one. So in Canada, the Cyclone ball retails for $6.99. The V6 trigger retails for $249.99, and the Dyson V8 cordless, it is on sale right now from $6.99 to $574.99. It is a limited time offer. So thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great and wonderful day.